XGIMI RS30 Ultra Max Review. Best Ultra Short Throw Laser. Projector for home theater? If you want a powerful 4K laser projector for a premium home theater, the XGIMI RS30 Ultra Max is definitely worth a look. But is it really the best choice for your setup? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The RS30 Ultra Max is XGIMI's flagship model in the RS30 series, featuring native 4K resolution and a laser light source. Its headline specification is up to 6,800 ISO lumens of brightness, combined with up to 7,000:1 native contrast. It also uses a stepless bionic aperture, which lets the projector balance brightness and contrast, depending on your viewing environment. For image quality, it supports wide color coverage, HDR formats including Dolby Vision and HDR10+, and is designed for large-screen home cinema use. The optical system also provides a 1.2 to 1.5 throw ratio, optical zoom and lens shift, giving you more flexibility when positioning the projector. Gaming is another major strength. XGIMI claims response times as low as 1 millisecond and refresh rates up to 240 Hz in supported modes. You also get two HDMI 2.1 ports, with one supporting eARC, making it suitable for modern consoles and home theater equipment. The built-in hardware is solid too, with up to 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and dual 12-watt speakers. However, there is one important point about the title. The RS30 Ultra Max is not a true ultra-short throw projector. Its 1.2 to 1.5 throw ratio means it needs more distance from the screen than dedicated UST laser TV cells. So if you specifically want a projector sitting just inches from your wall, this isn't the right type. The Ultra Max launched in China at 13,499 yuan, placing it firmly in the premium category. Overall, the RS30 Ultra Max looks like a strong choice for buyers who want very high brightness, 4K resolution, flexible installation, and serious gaming performance. But for a true UST setup or a lower budget, other projectors may make more sense. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you would choose the RS30 Ultra Max for your home theater.